Hello guys, welcome back to Attiration. Today we are starting a new section in which we will tell you about new things. As a fashion designer, it is essential to be familiar with various design software to enhance your creativity and produce high quality design. The use of design software has brought a significant revolution to fashion industry, making the process of designing, sketching and manufacturing outfit faster and efficient. In this video, we will discuss the most popular design software for fashion designing in detail. Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphics editor software that is commonly used as a fashion designer. It helps a designer to create sophisticated design sketches that are easy to modify, resize, and edit. Illustrator is suitable for designing logos, prints, flat sketch, and patterns, all of which are used in fashion design. Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphics software used for image editing, photo retouching, and graphic design. Fashion designers use this software to create visual representation of their design by compositing image, textures, and patterns. The software provides various tools like brush, pens, and eraser to adjust the design as desired. Clo3D is a 3D virtual apparel software that is widely used in fashion industry. It allows designers to create realistic 3D clothing prototype, which can be cost-effective compared to creating the physical prototype. This software enables the designer to test how the outfit will look on their model and analyze its fit and drape, and make changes to the design before starting the manufacturing process. CorelDRAW is a vector graphic editor software that has functionality similar to Illustrator. It is accessible to novice and professional designers due to its excellent user interface. CorelDRAW is suitable for creating intricate designs, and the software includes a wide range of tools to aid the designer. Adobe Desk Sketchbook is a user-friendly, easy-to-use software that is mainly used for sketching and drawing. This software is suitable for fashion designers who draw clothing, shoes and accessories in real-life proportion, or may have to play around with different patterns and shapes until they can create a perfect design. This software also features a wide range of brushes with various textures, which is ideal for textile designers. Using the right software tool can help the fashion designer to maximize their creativity and improve their workflow. The design process becomes more accurate and efficient, resulting in high quality designs that are easy to modify, resize, and produce. Therefore, a fashion designer needs to be well versed with the design software to create outstanding designs that meet the need of their client. Here on this channel, we keep discussing about the first three software time to time. Only the CorelDRAW and Autodesk Sketchbook are never discussed since I am unable to run Corel on my PC for some reason. And about Autodesk, I never thought about using it, but I will give it a try in coming future for sure. Well, that's all for today. See you next Monday with new designs, ideas and information. Till then, keep learning. Bye.